shadows calling. Oh, spirits crawling. Oh, nightfall falling. Every corner of the city got a dark old place. Youth walk fear with a mask on face. Crime in the alleys like a haunting trace. But your light still shine in a deeper space. Smoke from the chalices calm me dread. Ease the pressure from the thoughts in me head. Night full of whispers of the mighty dead. But you guide every step that my spirit tread. Oh, shadows calling. Oh, spirits crawling. Oh, nightfall falling. Jah keep we from the morning. Some hear the cries in the midnight hour. Voices floating like a fading flower. Crime take youth and try drain their power. But Jah protect them in every dark shower. Herb open vision in a smoky screen. Show me things hidden, things unseen. But even the shadows where death lean. Just and tall, mighty and clean. Oh, shadows calling. Spirits crawling. Nightfall falling. Jah keep me from the morning. Growth come even in the deepest dread. Life rise strong where death once spread. Peace come gentle when the fear gets shed. Jah hold the living and the silent dead. We walk through shadows but we bant alone. Jah spirit stronger than flesh and bone. From crime, from darkness he claim his own. Guide we safe